we'll see the various shearing operations that are done on that can be done on sheet metal products. See, as we have seen before, the blanking and punching, and this is shearing of the sheet metal. See, this is sheet, these are the sheets. When it is sheared off, what happens? This sheet metal would be cut, and this is a lancing. Here the slitting and perforating. So this is what perforations we have. We can have a number of holes of minimum dia, and this is said to be slitting or perforating, and the shearing at the corners or the sideways are said to be notching. Here the shearing is a process of cutting sheet metal to size out of a large stock such as a roll stock. So here shears are used as a preliminary step in preparing stock for stamping process or smaller blanks for CNC presses. See, generally this shearing is a first step for any sheet metal process. It produces a shear edge burr which can be minimized less than 10% of the material thickness. Actually, because of, see, suppose if the clearance between this die and punch are more, what happens? There would be a shearing with the light bending. So this bending will happen, the burr formation. So this has to be avoided. At the same time, if the clearance is very small, then what happens? It will disturb the shearing process. So the clearance has to be determined well before, depending upon the nature of the material and also the process. The burr is a function of the clearance between the punch and die and the sharpness of the punch and the die. Even for after n number of strokes, what happens? This die and this punch will get some blend, or it would be it will lose the sharpness, so which may also lead to the burr formation. Shearing of sheet metal between two cutting edges just before the punch contacts work here, and the punch begins to push into the work, causing plastic deformation. So these two are explained in this diagram. And this blanking is one of the shearing operation. It is an operation of cutting a flat shape from the sheet metal as it is shown. So this is what. So this is the blank which we require for further operation to make the final product, and this is the entire sheet metal. So what happens? For each stroke, this blank would be separated and this would be scrapped. And punching is similar to blanking, except the cut piece is a scrap. So here, suppose you want to punch a hole, then this will become a scrap and this would be the final product. And a slug is produced in punching operation, but not in the piercing work. The piercing is a forming a hole in sheet metal with a pointed punch with no metal fallout. So just it will have a hole, but the material will not be removed from the sheet metal. So that is said to be piercing. Whereas in punching, the sheet metal would be removed after it is made, after the hole is made. So the piercing is the operation of cutting internal features like holes or slots in stock without forming slug scrap. This is the difference between the piercing and punching. Power shearing is carried out on power shearing machines where the sheet metal is cut between the movable upper cutting blade and fixed lower cutting blade, and the cutting off is an operation on a piece in which the piece is removed from a strip by cutting along a single line. So cutting off, that is part. Cutting off means it will cut the sheets. Parting means in parting operation the sheet is sheared into two or more pieces and the scrap is removed between the two pieces to part them. So this is the difference between the cutting off and parting off. So cutting off we don't have any scrap, whereas in parting off we will have a scrap. And notching, it refers to the removing pieces of desired shapes from the edge, whereas slitting is an operation carried out by means of pair of circular blades called as slitting. In this operation, for marking an unfinished cut through a limited length only. So we cannot go for a higher length, larger length. A slit edge normally has a burr which may be plastically folded over the sheet and surface by rolling the sheet between the two rolls. So this you can able to see CPU of our computer, where perforated holes would be there and there would be slittings, and those who that is for hot air to go out from the CPU. And lancing is an operation of the cutting on one side and bending on the other side to form a sort of tab or lower, you can say. In this operation, no metal is being removed. Partially, it would be sheared. That is the thing. And nibbling is a small straight punch moves up and down rapidly into a die, and a sheet is fed through the gap, and many overlapping holes are made. Trimming is an operation of cutting and removing unwanted excess metal from the periphery of the previously formed or forged or cast component. So the excess metal can be trimmed out by using this trimming operation.